Morning students, till now we have completed the 6 lessons from your grammar chapters. Okay, now we are going to start the 7th, that is the preposition and its kinds. What is a preposition and what are the kinds? Now I am going to explain you in this video. See it carefully. Firstly, revise that what is the preposition. Okay, prepositions are the word that indicates the location or relation to an object. Okay, we get the position of thing. Okay, and by that position we get the relation of noun with the other noun, pronoun with the other noun, noun with the pronoun. Like that relation we are getting in the sentence of the position, that time it is coming as the preposition. Okay, prepositions are found before a noun or pronoun, and this preposition always comes before the noun or pronoun. Check out the 3 examples below. Now downside you can see one puppy is there and he is showing his position. In the first picture, what is the position of this puppy? The puppy is on the floor. Okay, then what is the relation of puppy and the floor? By on. Okay, and that on position, this on word goes for the preposition. Then the puppy is in the trash can. Okay, then what is the relation between the puppy and the trash can? In the trash can he is sitting, he is enjoying. That's why in is coming for the preposition. The puppy is beside the phone. There you can see one cell phone is there, and near of that cell phone you can see the puppy. Okay, then what is the relation between the phone and the puppy? He is beside, it is beside a phone. That's why the puppy is beside the phone, and this beside is the position showing word. That's why this position showing word is coming as the preposition. Get it, student? What are the prepositions? What are the position words? Which shows the location, relation to an object. Nouns with an other noun, pronoun with the other pronoun. Like that relation we are understanding with the preposition, with the location. Okay. Now see the kinds of preposition. Which 3 kinds are there? Times preposition. Okay. Preposition of time, preposition of place, and this place only in your textbook name is given position. Okay, place and position are the same. And next is the preposition of direction. Then what are these all 3? Then all definitions I am going to explain you in the detail. Now time preposition at, on, in, before, after. Then place, that is the position, at, on, in. Direction, to, up, over, down. Then the boy is reading under the tree. Yeah. The mouse is behind the box. The book is on the table. The sheep jumps over the gate. Now in detail we will see now all 3 kinds. First we are going to discuss about preposition of time. Now you know the time. Time is generally what we are understanding. Now, then, tomorrow, then today, yesterday, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, on Sunday, Monday. These are the time indicating words. Okay. Then this time indicating words when we are showing by using the preposition, that time that preposition goes for the time. A preposition of time helps to link the noun or pronoun with a time value. It functions as an indicator as to what point of time did an event occur. Okay. Now see the here prepositions signifying time. I start work at 8 o'clock. At what time? 8 o'clock. Then 8 o'clock is indicated, has shown with the one preposition, that is at. Okay. Then time, for showing time we are using at. I don't work on Sundays. Then when we are saying about the days, then we use the on. When we talk about the timing, we use at. For the days we are using on. Okay, I don't work on Sundays. And for showing the month we are using in. They let's meet in April. Okay, in January, in March. Then for timing, at 9 o'clock, at 7 o'clock, at 10 o'clock. For on Sunday, on Monday, on Tuesday. And for month, in January, in February. Understood? These are the time indicating prepositions, at, on, in. Now see the many examples of the preposition of time. In 3 hours, in the past, in a moment, in a few minutes, in the future, in 2 weeks. Okay. Now on my lunch break, on that day, on time, on the first day, on the last day, on weekdays. Okay. And at lunch, at that time, at the moment, at this moment, at present, at the weekend. Okay, these all indicating in, on and at how we are using in the sentence. You got these examples, revise it again and again, means you will get the idea which words are time indicating words and which prepositions we are using to show the time. Now next is position. Okay, preposition of position, and for position I said the different word, that is the place also. Okay, position means place. Then what place is there, we will get the idea. Preposition of location are used to indicate the location or position of object. For example, on, in, under, in front of, among, between. These all comes for the location, for the position, for the place. Then now at someone's house, where it is, we are getting the answer of where. Okay, for the place we are getting the answer of where. For time we are getting the answer of when. Okay, when I complete my work at 6 o'clock, then at is coming for the time. Okay, then where I have completed my work, in my house, then my house, in my house, it is showing the place, that's why in will go for the place. Okay, for the position. Now at the corner, at reception, at the doctor's, at a conference, at home, in the water, in a dresser, in the mirror, in the classroom, in the newspaper, in a pool, on, on an island, on the shelf, on the phone, on a table, on television, on an island. These all words we are getting idea about the place. That's at, in, on. In the timing also at is there, in is there, on is there. For the place also at, in, on is there. You should understand, student, where we are getting the information about time and where we are getting the information about place. Okay. Now next kind is preposition of direction. Now we know the directions. Which directions are there? East, west, north, south. Like that we show the direction by using different words also, like up, down, above, below, yeah, next to, under. These all words go for the direction. Are used to show direction of movement to and from a fixed point. To, from, into, along, over, through, across and around. See the example now. Into the box, where this rat is going, into the box, inside. That's why into is coming for the direction. Okay, out of the box, and these all directions have shown by the arrow only. Okay, means point out indirectly. Whenever we point out the place of anything, it will go for the direction. Okay, out of the box, around the box, away from the box, towards the box, past the box, onto the box, off the box, over the box, under the wall, through the pipe, across the bridge, up the stairs, down the stairs, then into, out of, around, away, towards, past, on, off, over, under, through, across, up, down. These all are going under the preposition of direction. Get it, student? Now see the question answers from your textbook. I hope that you understood all three kinds of the prepositions. In your notebook you are going to write down the definitions which are on the page number 53. Okay, if page number is different, you can see the chapter number 7's first page. On that first page, kinds of prepositions are mentioned in the three category: preposition of time, preposition of position and preposition of direction. These all three definitions you are going to write down in the notebook. What you are going to write down in the notebook, understood? Now you are going to fill in the textbook this question number 1 and 2. What is the first question? Filling the blank, choosing suitable prepositions. Okay, from the help box. Now we celebrate Independence Day dash 15th August. What will come, student? In 15th August? No, on 15th of August. The old man sat under the shade of the tree. What is the time by your watch? At your watch, not by your watch. Okay, we have been living in Delhi since October 2005. Children are very fond of chocolates. Okay, now in the second question, in sentence wrong preposition has taken, we have to find out that wrong, and on that place we have to write down the correct one. Okay, now see, now say first one, Saksham goes to school from bus, not from bus, by bus. How we are going? By bus. The boy is hiding below the table, not below the table, it is under the table. Okay, we completed the work by no time, no, in time. Okay, in no time. The chief guest arrived on 4:30. At, for showing time I said at. Okay, at 4:30 p.m. The train is on time. This on is the correct one. That's why I have given no error. No error means what? It is the correct. On is the correct. There is no error in this sentence. Then remaining 4 you are going to underline, and front of that you are going to write down the correct preposition which we are going to write down. Now see the next question. Third and fourth also you are going to complete in the textbook only. We have to fill by using the prepositions which are giving in the help box. I am sorry, but I don't understand the reason for the increase in price. Okay, you have to pay for the tickets the day you order them. Do you think the essay could be translated into English? Thank you for offering to help. It's very kind of you. Look at the woman in the picture. Who is she? Mayank didn't take part in the class discussion. He was not interested in the topic. The food in Japan is very different from European food. I don't agree with you. In my opinion, you are wrong. Johar was late for the morning assembly as usual. That's typical of him. Okay. And the last one, the car crashed into a fence on the other side of the road. Okay. Now next question is also same. We have to fill with the correct prepositions. You are responsible for the submission of your assignment. Okay. The policeman was shouting at the mob of people who were throwing stones. Rahul is married to my sister. Okay. Correctly we have to use, students, we have to understand the meaning of sentence, and after understanding the meaning, accordingly that we have to use the preposition, because before only I said for the place indicating words are there, for time indicating words are there. Then we have to understand the meaning of sentence. Is it showing the time, is it showing the place, it is showing the reason, and accordingly that we have to write the preposition. Okay. Now see the next one. It was difficult for my grandmother to get into the taxi. Please stop making fun of my pronunciation. Now next puzzle, that all 48 words showing position of an object I have given to you, and activity you are going to do it, and you are going to post me on my personal number. Cut out a scene of park, mall, market or road from old newspaper, magazine or book. Now by using preposition, explain the position of different things and the people. Only one picture you have to take, and you have to show where it is, like under, above, like that you have to show the position of the things, and that you are going to send me. Okay. And now brain tickler answer I have given you here. That all you are going to fill in your textbook, and I hope that you are completing your work in time. But till now only I am getting the work of Samruddhi. Okay, nobody else is going to send, nobody is sending. Okay, and I told in the previous video also, complete your homework and send me. You have to send me. I am going to check it on the WhatsApp. That's why daily your work I want. Okay, student. And this also you are going to complete in the textbook. Today's work is what? Definition of preposition. You are going to write down in the notebook, and these all questions you are going to fill in the textbook. Thank you so much, students, and try to make your own sentences by using the prepositions. Thank you and take care.